Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am getting ready to go into CVS to show you guys how to use all of those great CRTs that you got in your CVS app on Sunday. And I'm going to use a couple of paper coupons for my Nivea lotion. But other than that, everything's going to be CVS CRTs and digital coupons out of the app. So if you want to go ahead and get your app open so that you can match up and see if you have any of the CRTs, or you may have better ones than I have. Get your phones out so you can do some screenshots, take some notes, and let's get ready to save. But before we do so, go ahead and hit that subscription button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. And at the end of the video, or when you see the deals that you like, give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your family, friends. Let me know in the comments what deals you're going to do if you've already done the deals. So let's head into the store and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so this is the first deal we're going to do. Of course, you know I came to the front of the store because the music's blaring. There's a bunch of kids in here yelling and screaming. CVS is off the chain today. So I couldn't even get in the aisle. It's so crazy and it's crowded. So what I'm doing is the Nivea lotion is 40% off. I don't know if this select Nivea lotion because all the Niveas were not tagged in the aisle, but all the smaller ones were tagged. And that's the reason why I went with those. And then some of the big ones were and some weren't. So I don't know which ones are 40% off and which ones are not. And I didn't want to bug the cashier because it's so crowded. So I just went with the smaller ones. So they are $5.99. That is the regular price. And then you take 40% off of that. Now it's not such a good deal with just the 40% off. But if you have coupons and a CRT, that makes this deal even better. So you take the $5.99 and you take 40% off of that. Then once you take that 40% off, then you minus your coupons. Now you may be saying, well, why did you take the 40% off before your coupons? Usually when you have a percentage off at CVS, the coupons come off and then the percentage comes off. Well, because this is a sale and it's 40% off, the percentage comes off first. Now, if it wasn't a sale and I had a percentage off coupon, then that will come off next. And you're going to see how that works because I did actually use a percentage off coupon. So these are $5.99 and I took 40% off of that. Then I used a Nivea coupon, which was $4 off 2 lotions. And I'm going to get that coupon out now for you so that you can see it. So this is what the coupon looks like. You see it expired 4/23, but most CVS's take expired coupons 14 days past the date. So I was able to use it. I got a total of 4, so I used 2 of these coupons. So I got $2 off each one of these after I took the 40% off. I also had a $3 off 10 lotion, hand lotion, CRT. So I was able to use that. And I also had a 30% off CRT for any lotion or facial care. Now, I had to take my $2 off coupons off before I took that 30% off because that 30% off is a coupon. So the 40% off comes off in the beginning. The 30% comes off in the end. Okay, so then I also got, to pair in with this transaction, I got some Hallmark items. I got one of these, which is a curling ribbon. I said curling iron. I wish I could get a curling iron for $1.29. This is curling ribbon, in which you can get a curling iron for $1.29 with the big hair event. So this was $1.29. And I got 3 of these goodie bags or gift bags, whatever you want to call them. Those are 49 cents. Now, I got 4 Hallmark items because I had a $3 off 3. I had a $3 off 3 Hallmark CRT. So you know that those CRTs attach to the cards, they attach to the ribbons, the gift bags, and everything. So I could get more than 3 items, but I had to get at least 3 items, and it had to total at least $3. If it doesn't total $3, then it just adjusts down. So the ribbon was $1.29, and each one of these bags were 49 cents. So you could say that's 50 cents and $1.30. So that's $2.80. So I lost 20 cents on that CRT, but I'm absolutely okay with that because this was a terrific transaction. So let's go over our receipt. So there's the Nivea. You see they were $5.99. The 40% off, that took $2.40 off. You see I got 4 of those. Okay. Then you see the Hallmark items. There's the 3 bags for 49 cents. There's the curling ribbon for $1.29. There's my 2 $4 off manufacturer coupons, and it looks like my 30% off of the hand lotion didn't come off. I'm not sure why, because it looked like it came off at the register. That's why my total was so high. So anyway, my total was $6.36, but you know what? I guess I just have to live with it. So that's like basically I paid for the lotion because you see the $3 off 3 Hallmark CRT came down to $2.76, so that made the Hallmark items free. So that meant I paid $6.36 for the lotion. So that's like $1 something per lotion, $1.50 per lotion. I'm okay with that. It'll also count towards beauty bucks, but I'm a little confused why the 30% off didn't come off when it actually showed up on the screen as coming off. But when you're couponing, you win some and you lose some. Okay guys, so the next deal I'm going to do is going to be an all CRT and digital coupon deal, because I wanted to show you how you can save without using paper coupons, and also give you another idea of how to stack CRTs. So I'm going to get this water. This water is CVS brand water. It tastes just like any other water to me, but it is on sale for wait, I don't think it's on sale. I think it's like regular price. Yeah, it's on sale. It's regularly $5.19, but it's on sale for $3.39. And I got that because I had 2 $1 off CVS store brand water, gold emblem water. So that was $2 off the $3.39. So I paid $1.39 for this water. Now, what I'm doing is I'm actually building up. Oh my God, it's a fruit fly in here. I'm building up this purchase to be $30 because I have a $6 off $30 purchase, which was a CRT that came into my app. So let me show you what else I'm getting. So all of the well, not all, certain size all detergent and Snuggle products are on sale for $3.99. So they have the beads that are on sale, the all laundry detergent, as well as the Snuggle dryer sheets. So I got the all fabric softener, and that is this size. The 31 ounce was $3.99. I had a digital manufacturer coupon for $1.25 off, and then I had a that didn't come off. Yeah, that's it. I had a $1.25 digital manufacturer coupon. Then I got the Skintimate razors. Those are on sale for $5.99, and I'm using a $4 digital manufacturer coupon for that. I'm going to add in these 2 Lysol sprays. They are on sale for $5.99, and I have a CRT that is $5 off when you buy 2 Lysol disinfectant products. Doesn't specify a size or amount, so I got those. And then I got these aspirin, CVS Health brand aspirin, because I had a $3 off any pain CRT, and you could use that on a CVS product, Aleve. I've used it on Aleve, I've used it on Tylenol, I've used it on Aspirin, Icy Hot, but just make sure that you scan it in your app to make sure it applies. I'm still not at my $30, so those were $3. Those were $2.99. Okay, and then I'm going to add in, so I'm going to add in this Charmin toilet paper. 6 rolls equals 24. This is actually on sale this week for $5.24. And I got that because I had a $3 off any Charmin 6-count CRT. All right. Now, I wasn't quite at my $30 with all these products. Let me show you what else here. So I'm not at my $30 quite. I'm just $1 short after I take off all of my coupons and things. So I just added in a bag of Skittles candy, and the Skittles were $1.24. So let me show you my receipt. So here's my receipt. You see the Skittles, they were $1.49. Then there's the Lysols on sale for $5.99 each. The Snuggle for $3.99. The water for $3.39. The razor for $5.99. And the Charmin for $5.24. And then the aspirin, which were $2.99. Now let's go over the digital coupons and CRTs that I use. So I used the $4 digital manufacturer coupon. I used the $1.25 off. The $4 digital manufacturer coupon for the razors. The $1.25 digital coupons for the Snuggle. I had a 50-cent off digital coupon for the Lysol. I had a 25-cent off digital coupon for the Charmin. And then I used a $6 off $30 purchase. I had the $5 off 2 Lysol disinfectant CRT. And I had the $3 off any Charmin 6-count CRT. Guys, CRT, if you're wondering, that stands for cash register tape. So these are coupons that come at the bottom of your CVS receipt. They also print out at the red box for you, or they come on your CVS app. And then I had a $3 off any pain relief CRT. And the 2 $1 CRTs are for the water. And then I used $10 in extra bucks. And I had to pay 11 cents out of pocket with the tax. So my total for all of this was $10.11. Even though I had to pay out of pocket, I'm still fine with that. So let me show you what all I got today. So this is everything that I got today. So just go through your CRTs, match them up with what's on sale. Even if something's not on sale, you could still use a CRT to pay for it. Just make sure that it comes out to a good price. And until the next time, keep on saving. So this is everything that I got today. The Charmin, the Snuggle, the 2 Lysols, the aspirin, the 3 gift bags, the curling ribbon, the Skittles, the razor, 4 lotions, and a thing of water. So guys, this is a great way to learn to stack your CRTs, because everyone doesn't have a lot of paper coupons. So this is a great way to save. Let me know down below if you like this video. Let me know if you're going to do any of these deals, or let me know if you have some better CRTs, because everyone gets different CRTs. So let me know which ones you got and what you're going to do with your CRTs this week. And just go through all of your receipts, go through your CVS app and match your CRTs up with different things that are on sale. Or even if it's not on sale, you still can get good savings. So until the next time, guys, keep on saving.